Hi, this is Lovely Me. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this brand new package I just got today. I'm super stoked. Okay, so I tore it up. Shh, don't tell anybody. But it's okay. But I'm super excited for it. It is. We're gonna find out. Oh, is this not gorgeous? I don't know about you guys, but I can mix this into any of my outfits. And I wear some crazy outfits. So, it says it's a credit card wallet with 8 card slots. By you, love you. We'll find out in just a moment. I'm actually really excited about this. Why? Because I carry thousands of gift cards. I don't know anybody else. But like half the time I keep getting gift cards. I don't know what to do with any of them. So I just have them for the just in case moments. So enjoy while I get into this. This lovely, it says you by you, it looks like. Actually looks really high quality. If you like the feel of it, it's super thick. Which is really surprising because half the time you kind of touch it and it just like bends. Like, I don't know how to best describe this. Actually, I have a perfect example. So, normally when you get one, it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like putting some serious force in there. And like, it's not just kind of really fast actually. So, let's see how this handles. It's supposed to handle 8 credit cards. See if it handles a bunch of credit cards. It's supposed to handle a phone. Find out. So far, don't mind my mess with it. So far, I have whatever. Unica. I don't know if you can see that, but this is Unica. And let's see. I'll count these slots together. Is that where your phone is supposed to go? I think that's for bills or receipts. I don't know. And I don't know. Am I just looking at this wrong? It says it's supposed to be for a phone. But I'm not really seeing like an area for like, is this gonna be your area? Like in between your change purse and like your ID kind of thing? Like, I don't understand. It makes no sense. But it looks super cute. I like how it feels. It doesn't feel like it's gonna just kind of rip. If you look at some of this, like this isn't just like flimsy material. It actually kind of feels a bit like pleather. So it doesn't really feel like it's just gonna kind of like fall apart on me, which I have so many wallets do that to me. And not even like just cheap ones, like some of the expensive ones, they just can't handle it. I don't know. Apparently they can't handle my constant use of credit cards. Oh well. So, that was that with me. Lovely, heavenly. Legitimately, that is my name. But we were looking into the unboxing / unpackaging of this lovely U plus U, if we can ever get to that. Nope, it's not in focus. U plus U wallet. So far, so good. we'll see how she handles. And that's it for me.